welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if this is your first time visiting, I'd like to welcome you and ask you to come back and visit me again soon. Today on Vlogmas Day 7, I am decorating the cabinet tops and doing a tiered tray. But before I get to that, I'm going to start with a little light housekeeping. So sit back, relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish decorating the kitchen, and I'll meet you at the reveal. I decided to go with my red berry garland, just straightening this to line the top of the cabinet, and like I did before, I'm just gonna lift these berries and separate them. And I think I told you I was gonna use just the red berries on the fireplace mantle, but I decided to add some greenery there. It just looked a little bit too plain. But I'm thinking if you're looking up and all you're seeing is the red berries, then this one should work right here very well. So let's put it to the test, y'all. On the single cabinet on the side, I came in with this beautiful thrifted wicker sleigh. I use it every year and I absolutely love this piece. I think it's one of my favorite thrift finds. Inside, I filled it with red ornaments and a red ball garland that I DIY'd some time ago. On this main side of the cabinet, I came in with some red deer, a Merry Christmas sign, and another small red and gold sleigh with a statue of Santa inside. And I think this area came out beautifully. Let me know what you think in those comments. I'm gonna start here with these little ice skates that I picked up last year thrifting, and I might say I spent a quarter or 50 cents for them. They weren't much, but I just thought they were so stinking cute that I just had to have those. Yeah, I think that is super cute down there. Little cone tree that I got from Dollar Tree, and I did that with the pom-pom fringe. I did that last year for Christmas around the world. And then I have one of these little Dollar Tree block trees as well. So cute. And then I think on this side, I'm gonna put my little Merry Christmas sign that I got from Dollar Tree. And then in the front here, I have this little pine cone, and I just twisted those together with a little bit of berry. Okay, once I set it up on top of the refrigerator with the decor going on above the cabinets, I didn't like it. It was too busy. So let's go back to the drawing board. So what I did was, I have these, and I think you may remember this, Mikasa angels that I thrifted last year. Got them for a song, honey. I think I might have paid $5 for them, if I paid that. And they are beautiful. And then I'm going to come back in with the red cone tree. And this I also DIY'd last year for the Christmas Around the World collaboration. So I'm just going to come in with that and my Mikasa angels. And I actually like that very much. And then, because I'm using red berries this year, I'm going to come in with some red berries from the back. Yeah, I think that is enough. You know, like I said, I have a lot of decor going on, and I just thought it was just a little bit too busy. And then down below, I did keep my ice skates. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna come in again with my red berries. And I did hang one of those little candy ornaments there. And I may place one more. You know, this Christmas, I really tried to simplify my decor. Yes, I chose the red berries, but I tried to tone it down and, reel it back in a lot of areas and show some restraint. And I love the way those crystal Mikasa statues look. Those angels are absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you think in those comments. And as always, if you love today's video and you're not a family member, then what are you waiting for? Honey, you better go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And I'll see you tomorrow for the next episode of Vlogmas.